Hello everybody and welcome to another video. In today's video we have Taiga with us, and since he doesn't have his shots and he can't really walk around in town, we're actually going to drive and go quite a ways outside of town to take him for a little bit of a forest walk, and we're also going to be doing some birding along the way. I have my camera with me in case we get any cool photo opportunities. So this is kind of a very chill Sunday adventure that you guys get to come along for. So hey, let's go see what we can find. That was just a grouse. He loves to dive into snowbanks and apparently eat sticks. It is an absolutely beautiful day out today, guys. I think it's like minus 22. A little bit closer to minus 25 with the wind chill, but when you're back in the trees, like, there's absolutely zero wind, and we have some sunshine today. It's still kind of above the tree line just because it's still getting dark before like 5 o'clock pretty much, but we are having a really great day so far. We haven't seen any ptarmigan, which is on the top of my list for trying to see today, but we did see one spruce grouse for sure, and most likely a second, but it kind of flew off pretty far back in the trees, so we didn't get a confirmation on the ID for that. And then in town we saw a black-billed magpie and a common raven. So we are going to keep taking the pup for a walk down the trail, see if we see any other birds, and then we might keep driving a little bit further down the road just to see if we can get that ptarmigan for the year. Okay, that was so cool, guys. Taiga actually found this bird. He heard it pecking and like kind of jumped into the snow and then it flew up to the tree. And I got binoculars on it really quickly, and it's actually an American three-toed woodpecker, which I was not expecting to see today. So we followed it a little bit further because it didn't fly off too far, and I didn't get any video, but I did manage to get a picture, so I'll throw it in here. So the three-toed has yellow on the top of its head, and then it has a mottled front, a black back with some white striping or spotting, and so that's how you tell the difference between them and the black-backed, which doesn't have the white on the back. So this is an American three-toed, and he was actually really going to town on this tree here, which you can see right from the trail, like all the brown there. He has been pecking at that tree, so that's super cool. Alright, we are back from our walk. There wasn't very much going on for today's vlog, but that's okay. Just sharing a chill Sunday afternoon with you guys. So I am going to insert the picture of the American three-toed woodpecker in kind of when we had seen it, so you guys will have already seen that by this point, but I did want to quickly point out that it actually was a male because it had the yellow on the top of the head. The females are just all black with the black and white all over the body. And the really cool thing is that American three-toed woodpeckers have only 3 toes. Most woodpeckers have 4. The only other species that doesn't have 4 toes, or it also has 3 toes like the American three-toed, is the black-backed woodpecker. So we did see a male, and we were not expecting to see that at all. And we did end up seeing our ptarmigan too. They flew off right beside the truck, so I didn't get any footage of it, but we did see 4 of them today. So that wraps up everything for today's quick little forest walk slash birding vlog. So we will see you guys in the next video. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more videos. Have a great day.